Fear of failure is sneaky. It dresses up like being smart, being careful, or waiting for the right time. But really, it's a thief. It steals your shots before you even take them. Here's the truth. Every win I've had was built on a stack of L's. Not because I'm special, but because I refused to stop. I learned. I adjusted. I moved. Where does the fear come from? Perfectionism. Thinking it has to be flawless, or it doesn't count. Fear of judgment. Imagining a crowd that isn't even watching you. Past scars. Letting an old moment write your future. Low self-belief. Confusing today's limits with your identity. Overthinking. Starring in a movie called Worst Case Scenario. Let's flip it. Micro risks. Big wins. 1. Redefine failure. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's the tuition you pay to get it. Ask, what did this teach me that success never would? 2. Take small risks daily. Hit publish on the rough draft. Speak up once in that meeting. Try the thing you don't feel ready for. Momentum beats confidence. Confidence comes later. 3. Analyze, adjust, move. After a miss, ask, what did I learn? How do I improve? What's the next step? Today. Then actually take it. 4. Visualize success, not disaster. Instead of what if I fail, try what if this works. See the door opening, not the wall. 5. Fail fast, learn faster. Speed exposes truth. The quicker you try, the quicker you iterate, the quicker you grow. Edison, 10,000 nope, not that. He didn't collect failures, he collected data. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. That's not a quote. That's a system. Here's your move. Pick one micro risk today. Send the email, post the idea, ask for feedback, make the call. Tiny bets, every day, stack them. Key takeaway. Failure isn't the end, it's the path. The faster you embrace it, the faster you grow.